Hello, it's Sona here from Upgrade Your OET by Bose Learning. It's OET Learnuary month this month in February, and that's when every day this month I'm creating a video for you to help you on your OET learning journey. That's why February is becoming OET Learnuary. It's actually day 19 already, and one of my Udemy students, the lovely Nida, asked me some questions about provisional diagnosis, and I thought that's a great thing to look at. So if you have in your case notes in the OET Writing Sub-Test, you have something like this that says alopecia, 6 months, and then a question mark here, depression. We can see here that the alopecia has been confirmed, but the depression is a provisional diagnosis. It's not been diagnosed yet. You think it might be. And Nida asked me, do I need to write about it? If it's only a question mark, do I need to actually put it down into the letter? And that's a great question. The way to decide is it going to help the reader? So first of all, think about who are you writing to? Will it help them care for my patient? And importantly, if I don't write it, will it stop them being able to provide my patient with full care? So how is knowing this going to affect their follow-on care of my patient? If we don't include it, is it going to hinder their caregiving? Or if we do give it, is it going to help them? That's the way to decide. So let's imagine that we do need to write it in. How can we do it? How do I write this into my actual OET letter? You could say something like this. Jane Grey presented with a 6-month history of alopecia. That's a fact. There is the possibility that this has triggered feelings of depression. There is the possibility that, or there is a possibility this has. So this tells the reader that it's a provisional diagnosis. Here are some other ways you can indicate that it's a provisional diagnosis. You could say it is possible that, or my provisional diagnosis is, perhaps he has a suspected hernia. If that's the case, it is likely that he is suffering from depression. Mr. X may benefit from counselling. May is a possibility, or his symptoms are suggestive of mild depression, or his symptoms are suggestive of a hernia. So here are some useful expressions for you. I hope you liked them. Thanks very much for joining us. Please come back and see us for the next lesson in OET Learnuary. See you then. Bye-bye.